Hi and welcome to a video tutorial on how to set the home city and daylight saving time on this watch. First of all, you have to unscrew the crown and then pull out your crown to the second click. And there it is. So currently it's showing Paris. That's my time zone, but to help you out, you have this outer bezel that has the all of the time zones that this watch has ability to show time in. How to switch your time zones? Well, by rotating the crown, you move the seconds hand, and the seconds hand will indicate to a different town, indicating the different time zone, current time and date. So I'm gonna get back to Paris because that is my time zone. How to switch the daylight saving time on or off or auto. Auto stands for that the watch will automatically switch the time zone from the on your watch. So currently we are looking at this AT standard or the DST saving time. AT stands for automatic, standard on the daylight saving time. How to shuffle between those two? Well, by pressing this upper right button, I'm gonna change the value. So here we go, holding it and pressing it will shuffle to the current indicators on the watch screen. So I'm gonna leave it at auto, but you get the procedure. And once we are done with settings, just push the crown back in, and there it is. Make sure to screw down the crown so you will secure it from any leakage. That would be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.